When faced with the choice of moving your prized vehicles, do you go DIY with a car hauler rental or opt for professional auto transport? Welcome back to Compare the Carriers channel, the ultimate guide for all your vehicle transport needs. Today, we're tackling the big question: car hauler rental or professional auto transport? Cost comparison breakdown. Let's dive in. Renting a car hauler. On the surface, it's straightforward. Pay the rental fee, attach it to your vehicle, load up, and hit the road. It's versatile, handling everything from your daily driver to your jet ski, ATV, or that vintage car you treasure. On the flip side, there's professional auto transport. Seasoned experts take charge, ensuring your vehicles go from point A to B without a hitch. These pros live and breathe transport. From secure load-ups to navigating the trickiest routes, they've got you covered. So you've got a vehicle to move. Do you rent a hauler, or do you hire the pros? Let's crunch the numbers. Renting a car hauler might seem straightforward. But beyond the rental fee, remember to factor in fuel, optional insurance, wear and tear, and potential risks. Professional auto transport provides a comprehensive service. Their fees generally include transport, insurance, and even discounts for multiple vehicles. While DIY offers flexibility, consider potential hidden costs. A mishap, the challenge of loading, or even longer travel times due to slower speeds. With professionals, you're also buying peace of mind. Their expertise ensures safe, efficient transport, saving you both time and unforeseen expenses. So let's lay it out side by side. Here's the average cost for each option, based on transporting a sedan 500 miles. Each method has its merits. Your choice hinges on budget, convenience, and personal comfort. What's vital is making an informed decision. Looking to transport soon? Simply Google, compare the carrier calculator, and get the cost for shipping your vehicle. For more cost breakdowns and transport insights, like, share, and subscribe. Safe and savvy travels. Compare the carrier, compare to save.